Perfect.
And that's gonna bring us to our next segment, man. One of my favorite segments called "Have You Heard?" And if you don't know, that's when I, put you up on game on some of the top headlines that, just hit the hot off the presses. Beyonce, you know what I'm saying? Biggest female tour of all time for now. You know what I'm saying? A lot of other, a couple other females out there this summer. But we're going to see what the numbers coming at the end. But Beyonce holding it down at the moment. But also holding down some tax issues, you know what I'm saying? IRS trying to hit her with like a $2.7 million bill. Like, yo, you owe us 2.7 in additional taxes and penalties. I guess this dates back to like 2019. She received the IRS notice of deficiency. She was ordered to pay $1,442,747, plus an additional $288,549 penalty charge. Those penalties were 20% of the amount of the underpayment of tax, and they were required by the statute. Beyonce was claiming that the borough saw an inaccurate tax fee of $805,850 in taxes and $160,000 in penalty charges in 2018. She argued in her petition that she owes any taxes. Those penalties should not apply because she has acted reasonably and in good faith. And I say all that to say, man, taxes is complicated, man. Taxes is complicated. If you're making money in any type of entertainment way, get like 3 accountants to watch people because
got lawyers watching lawyers, so I won't go broke. Now check it.
Because you hear about all types of stories, man. I could give you a list of people who just been in problems and some of them getting locked up for tax issues. Ja Rule, Fat Joe, Lauryn Hill, you know what I mean? Willie Nelson had some tax issues at one point. Tony Braxton, Mark Anthony, Method Man, the METHOD, man. R. Kelly has his share of legal problems, but tax problems are one of them. You know what I mean? Nina Simone had tax problems. DMX was locked up for tax issues. It's the list goes on. It just shows you that, like, they looking at you, especially the bigger you are. They checking every cent that's coming in. Number one. But number two, it's complicated, and there's tax laws, and it was made complicated for a reason, to benefit certain people. So, just make sure you up on game, because if somebody like Beyonce could go down, if somebody like the president's son, could go down for tax issues, it could happen to any entrepreneur out there trying to hustle, man. So, yeah, man. Thoughts of President Beyonce. I mean, she gonna figure that out. That's not that much money for Beyonce, so I'm sure there's nothing silly that's gonna happen. And she is allowed to, I guess, dispute it and see where it goes legally, but it just goes to show you, like, you don't know, like, you making charitable donations, you getting money from this place, you get money from that place, like, it gotta all be claimed, man. Perfect Talk is what it do. It's your guy DJ Playboy, man. Thank you for checking out this short clip of the Perfect Talk podcast. Please go check out every episode right there on the YouTube channel. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button.